What's good? What's happening, guys? It's Sam, MrBlitztek, and welcome back to some more tech videos. But today's tech is more focused on our PlayStation. Today, I'm going to be starting my little project called Project Frankenstein. Me being Frankenstein, and my PlayStation 5 being the monster. So, without further ado, what I will be doing is changing my PlayStation from white to black. That's right, I got some black plates for my PlayStation. And obviously, disc edition. So you gotta stay physical out here. PlayStation 2, PlayStation 3, PlayStation 4, all black, looks sleek, super nice. PlayStation 5, white, not too bad. Now that you give me the option, I mean, why not? Why wouldn't I do that? They've released more colors now after the fact I bought these from a undisclosed seller. I will not say where I got these from, but I do look forward to these new colors. But I've got these right here, right now, so we're going to change the color of my PlayStation. So now we're going to dissect our PlayStation from black to white. Let's get on with it. The PlayStation could be a little dirty, so yeah, let's give it the once over. You know, if you see any dirt anywhere, especially inside the vents and stuff, let's get a little brush. Once over. There you go. Lovely jubbly, one clean, all good in the hood. Okay, so we got first thing to do is the PS side. This thing can be a tricky messy. Oh. And away. You want to follow away from these things, lift up and away. Luckily handled horribly. So just going to clean that right now around the fan. What I'm saying, to get good quick clean, you know. It's not often every day gets a spring clean. There you go. So now I'm going to get the replacing plates, make sure it goes the correct way, follow, then make sure that these little things here are in their correct place. Fit it back into the hole, push up, Bob's your uncle. Alright, so now other side, disc side, stay physical. We're gonna do it again. I've got to admit, these things are tricky to take off, so I'm about to give you some time. Again, clean around the fan. Don't spin the fan. It's not what you want to do. You want to spin the fan. Then go give it a little clean. Get the same side. Make sure these things are facing the correct way, especially with the disc. Plug into the holes. As soon as you hear that, boom. Ah, shoot. There we go. And there is our blacked out PlayStation. So now I've changed my PlayStation from white to black, just how I like it, and I might possibly change my PlayStation to even further colors when these other colors come out, but we shall see. We shall see indeed. Guys, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you're commenting down below. You like this video, you hate this video, stop doing these videos, do more of these videos, let me know. What color are you choosing for your PlayStation? I mean, there's a plethora of colors now. I can only imagine more on the way. So it's going to be a very interesting outlook indeed for PS5. But we shall see indeed. I'm going to continue doing my madness. I'm going to continue with Project Frankenstein. And I guess I'll see you guys on the next level. Peace out, Rainbow Trouts.